So, friend, I'm on the 18th characteristic of successful people. So, what it is? It is like they will determine and they will take the right approach. So, basically, the successful people, what they will do, they will find out what is working for them and what is not working for them, and then based on that, they will follow the right path. They will not continue on the path which is not working for them. On the other hand, the people with unsuccessful mentality, they will keep on doing the hard work. They believe on hard work. But successful people, they believe on smart work. I mean, that doesn't mean that they are not ready to do the hard work. They are ready to do the hard work, but constantly they will keep on checking whether whatever they are doing, it is working for them or not. The idea which they have brought in, and on the idea which they are working, whether that needs some changes or not. So they will keep on improving the things. They will keep on finding new ways to do the same thing, and in that manner, they will keep on determining and they will keep on taking the right approach, right path. And successful people, because of this particular mentality, they will keep on investing on themselves, in terms of time, in terms of money, in terms of learning, and which will take them to towards the success. And they will become victorious in the situation, and they will achieve the goal. So this is the 18th characteristics. I will come with the another characteristics. Till then, bye and see you.